Today in the grain market, soybeans were lower as China purchasing is still on the slow side at not at all at the level promised so far. South American crops are also doing well, putting a little bit more pressure on the market. And all in all, trade action is still basically sideways for soybeans. Now, in the option open interest, everything has been migrating now toward into 2026, but there's still more puts than calls at this time for soybeans. CVAL's at 19.9%, with the oil at 27 and the meal at 24.4%. Corn today was lower as well, with export sales data still backlogged, and signs of demand is certainly as uncertain. The recent downtrend is continuing. December was down 3.25 cents to 4.22 and that's down 20.5 cents since November 14th. March was down 3 today at 4.34.5. Now, with options gravitating over as expiration was last Friday, March has reversed, and now we have more calls than puts. Just as we're starting to add up more open interest on those options side. CVAL is at 15.6%. Today, wheat was down with the world supplies being pretty plentiful right now, and demand is really not being able to mitigate that. The sell-off is continuing. Futures did fall further in this trend and is 34 cents lower from just a week ago. December today was down 7.5 cents. We got down to 5.19.5, with March getting down 8 to 5.31 3/4. The difference with the option open interest there is it's pretty much evened up, and we've had a 3-2 margin for the longest time from calls to puts, but right now the option open interest is even both calls and puts. CVAL for the wheat is at 22%. Now the USDA will still take some time to get up to date with all of the grain data, so that may still take another month or so. So we'll be reporting that as it comes in.